everyone. So now we are going to start our next topic of mathematics for class 2nd, and that is numbers up to 200. Now first of all we are having few things which are related to chapter number 1. So we are just going to warm up ourselves. Like first of all we are having complete the table. You are having a table in front of us. You just need to complete that table. Like you can see that we are having a number written over here which is 60. After that we need to write the number name of it. In number name we just write the spelling of that, okay, like 60 can be written as SIXTY. So that is the number name of this is your numeral form and that is the number form. After that you need to write the number which is just lesser than that of the 60. So that is going to be your 59, and next you need to write the number which will come after that of the 60. So that is going to be your 61, or you can say the number which is one more than that of the given number. So that is going to be your 61. Okay. Similarly, you need to fill the rest of the two columns. Like I am having 36 over here. First of all, you need to write the number name of it. So number name of this is going to be THIRTY, that is for 30, and after that we are having 6. So we are going to write SIX. So that is going to be your number name. Okay. After that we need to write the number which is just lesser than that of the 36. So that is going to be your 35. Similarly, in the next column we just need to write the number which is going to be one more than that of the 36. So that is going to be your 37. Okay. Similarly, you can fill the B part also. Now in second question you can see that we are having what comes just before, just after and in between. Now according to the empty circles which you are having in this question, you need to fill whether it could be your just after, just before or in between. Okay, just have a look on the empty circles and just fill it. Okay, like you can see that we are having first circle empty with us. So after that we are having 98 and then we are having 99. Okay, so we just need to fill this one. As you can see that this circle just comes before that of the 98. So what we are going to fill in this is 97. Okay. Similarly, you can see that we are having an empty circle in between these two numbers. So that is going to be in between 34 and 36. What you are going to have is 35. So we are just going to write 35 in this circle. Similarly, you can see that here we are having 13, 14. After that we are having an empty circle. In that circle we are going to write what we are going to have after 14 is 15. So this is going to be your just after 98 is going to be 97. Just in between 34 and 36 you are going to have 35. After 14 we are going to have 15. Okay. Now in question number 3 you can see that write the bigger number on the bigger frog and the smaller number on the small frog. Like you are having two frogs in front of you in each section. First of all you need to check among the given number which one is your larger number and which one is your smaller number. Okay, so among these two, as we know that the tens place value of the number, if the tens place value of the number is larger, then that whole number is going to be your larger number. Like you can see that in 37 on tens place we are having 3 and on 60 we are having 6. So this is going to be your large number. Or you can directly go through the counting. As we know that 37 comes before that of the 60. So this 60 is going to be your larger number, and you just need to put this larger number in the larger frog. In these two frogs, this one is your bigger frog. So you just need to write this in the circle which is on the picture of that frog. Similarly, you just need to put this 37 in this circle. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Number up to 100. 99 is one more than 98, that is 98 plus 1. We all know that if you just want to go ahead one step or you just want the next number, so for that we just can add 1 into it. Like I am having 98, so 98 plus 1 is going to be your 99. That is going to be the number just before that, after that of the 98, which would be your 99. 99 is equals to 9 tens plus 9 ones. Okay, this is the digit which resembles your 9 ones, and this one is for 9 tens, which are the place values of the digits of that number. Okay, what is 1 more than 99? That is 99 plus 1. If you want to check the number which is going to be just 1 more than that of the given number, then we are just going to add 1 into it, okay. And if you just want to check out the number which is just 1 lesser than that of the given number, then we will subtract 1 from it, okay. Since it is asking you 1 more than that of the 99, so what we are going to do is we are just going to add 1 into it. So this is going to be 99 plus 1, okay. So now 9 tens plus 9 ones plus 1, 1. So this is going to be your, since this is also your ones place value, so when you are adding the two numbers, for that, if you are having this 9 is of ones place and this is also of ones place, so we just add the digits of the same place values. So this is your ones place and this is also belongs to your ones place, so we are going to add these numbers. So this 9 ones and this 1 is going to be your 10 ones, okay. So this is going to be your 9 tens and 10 ones, and this 10 ones is going to be your 1 10. 10 ones means since we are going to build 10 blocks into that, and 10 blocks is equals to 1 10. So as you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So we are having 10 blocks, so this is going to form your 1 10. So 9 tens plus 1 tens is equals to 10 tens, and that 10 tens means 100, okay. So this is going to form your 100. And now we are having one more place value in front of us, that is going to be your 100. Earlier we were just having two place value, one was your ones, second was your tens. Now since we are having third digit also with us, so that third digit is going to be on 100 place value. So this belongs to your 100 place value, and 99 plus 1 is going to be your 100. Among this, 0 is on ones place, this 0 is on tens place, and the next number which is 1 is going to be on 100 place, okay. So this is written over here, H is 100's place value, okay. Now forming numbers from up to 200. Now we are going to read about the numbers up to 200, okay. So you already know that 10 ones is equals to 110 and 10 tens is equals to 100. We need 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds to write 3-digit number. Now as we know that if you are having 2 digits in a number, that is going to be known as 2-digit number, and if you are having 3 digits in that number, then that is going to be your 3-digit number. Like you are having 99, so that is, since we are having 2 digits in that number only, so that is going to be a 2-digit number. And in 100 we are having 3 digits, 1 0 0, so that is going to be your 3-digit number, okay. So now this is your 10 tens plus 1, so this is going to be a 100 plus 1, so this is 100 plus 1 is going to be a 101, okay. So we are having, now we are having 3 digits, this is your ones place, this is your tens place, and this one is your hundreds place. 34 more than 100. Now what you are going to do is we are just going to add 34 into it, okay. First of all, we are having 3 digits, so this is going to be a 100 plus 34. We are adding a 2-digit number into a 3-digit number. This is your ones place, this is your tens place, this is your hundreds place, and in 34 we are having 2 digits, so this is going to be a ones place and this is going to be your tens place, okay. So this is your 100. For this, since it belongs to tens place, so we have made 3 blocks of 10 10, so this is going to be your 10 20 and this is your 30. After that we are having 4, so we have made 4 blocks for that, 4 ones, 1 2 3 and 4. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to add this. So after adding all these, what you are going to get is this, 1 3 4, 1 on hundreds place, 3 on tens place and 4 on ones place, okay. Now similarly we read 134, like we were just writing 64 as 64. Similarly, if you are having a 3-digit number and if you want to write the name of that number, so it is going to be, first of all, just have a look on this. This belongs to your hundreds place, so what you are going to write is 100, okay. After that what you are having is, you can easily write the name of a 2-digit number, so that is going to be your 34. Just write the place value of the first digit of 100, so that is going to be 100. After that just write the 2-digit number as you were writing it earlier. Like you can see here we are having 110. This is your ones place, this is your tens place, and this one is your hundreds place, okay. So this belongs to hundreds place, so what we are going to write is 100, okay. Now after that we are having 10, that is your 10. So we have written 110. So that is going to be the number name of 110. Now we are going to read the numbers up to 200. To read the numbers of 3 digits, first read the digit at the 100 place and then read the last 2 digits together. Now what you are going to do is, if you just need to read the 3-digit number, for that we are just going to read the first digit of hundreds place. Like here we are having 1, so what we are going to say is 100. After that just read the last 2 digits at a time or combinedly. So what you are going to read is 170. Now here we are having 107. So what you are going to say is 100. Since we are having 07, so we are just going to read it as 7. So this is going to be a 107. And here we are having 158. So just spell the first digit, that is your 1, which belongs to 100 place. So this is going to be 158. Now we are having exercise in front of us. This exercise is based upon the things which we have learned in last 2 pages. So this is our first exercise, which is your exercise 2.1. So our first question is count the block and form number, as we have done for the 2-digit numbers also. Okay. So also write the numbers and the numbers name. First of all, we are just going to count the blocks. Then we will write the number of blocks in this. After that we will form a number from it, and later on we are going to write the number name of the number which is being formed. Okay. So first of all, as you can see that we are having 100. This whole number block belongs to 100. Okay. So this denotes 1. So we are just going to write 1 over here. After that we are having this one block belongs to tens. Okay. So this is going to be a 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens and 6 tens. So what you are going to write in this blocks is going to be your 6. After that you are having 2 ones. This is your 1 ones. This is your 2 ones. So what you are going to write here is 2. So here we are having 1, here we are having 6 and here we are having 2. So the numeral which is going to form is the number that is going to be a 162. Now what you are going to do is just write the number name of it. So the number name of this is going to be, first of all what we should do is we are just going to write the digit which belongs to hundreds place, which is your 1. So first of all we are going to write 100. After that just write the 2 last digits combinedly. So that is going to be your 62. 162. So that is going to be the number name of the number which is being formed. Okay. So now this is the question which I am leaving for you. You just need to do it by yourself. Okay. So now we are having the next question, in which what you should do is write the number from 101 to 200. Say them aloud as you write. First of all, what you are going to do is just fill in these empty boxes or blocks which you are having in front of us, and the numbers which are going to be from are from 101 to 200. We are having 101 to 200. So what you are going to do is just write down the numbers which are going to form. Now if you are having this 101, and if you want to move one step ahead, for that what you are going to do is just add 1 into it. Okay, like you are having 101, and if I'll add 1 into it, what you are going to have is 102. After then again add 1 into it, what you are going to have is 103. Similarly 104, after that 105, and after that 106. Here I am having 118, and if you just want the next number of it, so what you are going to do is just add 1 into it. So that is going to form 119. Similarly you can fill the rest of the boxes. Okay. Now match the numbers with their number names. What you should do is, you are having few numbers in front of us, and here we have few number names. Okay, so what you should do is just match the correct number name of the number given in front of you. Like we are having this, as we know that first of all what we are going to do is we are just going to write the number name or the name of the first digit which belongs to your hundreds place. So this is going to be a 100. After that just write the number name of the last 2 digits, which is 16. So this is going to be a 116. Now just find it out among these. So this is the number name of the first digit. number. Okay, so this is your 116. So just take your pencil and just match these two dots. Okay, after that we are having 193, so this is going to be a 100. Last two digits is 9 and 3, so this is going to be your 93. So we are having 193, so this is going to be your here. Just match these two. Okay, now just do the rest of the questions by yourself. So now we are going to have a fourth question in front of us, that is filling the boxes with missing number. Okay, as you can see that we are having few empty boxes in front of us. We just need to fill those boxes with the numbers. Like you can see that we are having 108, so you need to write the number which comes just before that of 108, and if you want a number which is just lesser than that of the given number, what we are going to do is we just subtract 1 from it, and if you are subtracting 1 from it, so this is going to be your 107. Similarly, if you need to write a number which comes just after that of 108, so that is going to be your 109. So we need to write 109 in this box. Like similarly, we are having 178 here, and you need to write the number which comes just before that of 178. So what you are going to do is just subtract 1 from it. So the number which you are going to get after subtracting 1 is going to be your 177. Similarly, if you want the next number of 178, so that is going to be your 179. And how you are going to get that number is just add 1 into the given number. So if you are adding 1 into it, so you are going to get 179. Now the next question is count in tens and fill in the missing numbers. Like as I have told you earlier, I have taught you earlier that if you just want to jump few steps ahead, like we were just jumping 2s, 2 ones, 3 ones, for that we were just adding 3 or 2s in that given number. Now what you want is you just need to count in tens. So there should be the difference of 10 in between the two numbers. So like you are having 100, and if you want to move tens from that of the 100, so what you are going to add in that number is 10. So this 100 plus 10 is going to be your 110, and again if you are adding 10 into 110, so what you are going to have is 120. Similarly, the next number is going to be your 130, which is your 130. Similarly, the next number of this 150 is going to be your 160, which is your 160. Okay, now you can do the remaining by yourself. We know that we can regroup 10 ones in 1 tens. As I have told you earlier that 10 ones, that 10 blocks of ones is going to form your 110. Similarly, like you can see that we are having 10 ones boxes in front of us, and this as combined have formed this 110. Similarly, we are having 15 ones over here, so among those 15 ones, these 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, these 10 boxes of ones are going to form your 110, and 5 ones will be remained with you. Okay, this is also the thing that I have told you that 10 tens are going to form your 100. Okay, so we are having this one block shows you 10 ones. This is your 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Similarly, these 5 tens also. So this in all combinedly known as 10 tens, which is equals to your 100. Okay, we are having here these are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we are having 18 tens in front of us. Of these 18 tens, what you can write is, among these 18 tens, 10 tens are going to form your 100. Okay, so after removing this, we are having 9 over here, and after removing this one, so this in combine is going to form your 100. After that, we are going to have 8 tens. So what you are having is 100 plus 8 tens. Okay, face values. What face values are? Face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself regardless of its position in the number. We are having two things. One is your place value, and second one is your face value. If you are talking about place value, then place value actually shows you the position on which that number is, okay, and that represents the position. As if the number is written on the third place, then that is going to be your 100. If it is written on second number, then it is going to be your tens. Similarly, but when you are talking about face value, then that number is just going to be the value of that digit itself regardless of its position. That you are not going to write or look after the position of that number. We are just going to write that number itself. Like for example, face value of the digit 3 in the number is, like we are having this 3. So the face value of this is going to be 3. For this, the face value is again going to be 3, and here also the face value is going to be your 3. We do not care about the position. You can see that here the 3 is written on the tens place, here the 3 is written on the hundreds place, here the 3 is written on the ones place. But since we are talking about the face value of that number, so we are just going to have the same answer for all the 3 options. So that is going to be your 3. So the face value of all the 3 numbers is going to be your 3. Okay. So now as we are done with the face values of the numbers, so we are just going to move to the standard form of writing a number. As you can see that we are having 3 different numbers. First one is your 8, second one is your 35, and third one is your 192. So the standard form is, this is your 1 digit number, this is your 2 digit number, and this is your 3 digit number. Since it is having 3 digits in it, so this is going to be your 3 digit number. It is having 2 digits, so this is going to be your 2 digit number, and since this is having just 1 digit, so this is going to be your 1 digit number. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the place values of the number. So like we are having this 8, 35, 192, again the same numbers with us. So the number which are written on the ones place, so that are going to be the number on the place, they are having place value of 1. And the number which are written on the tens place, they are going to have the place value of 10. And similarly the number which are written on the hundreds place, they are going to have the place value 100. Okay. As you can see that 8, 5, 2, the digits 8, 5 and 2 in the numbers 8, 35 and 192, we are having 3 numbers, and this number, the ones place is your 8, in this ones place is your 5, and in this your ones place is 2. Their face value is going to be the same. Like if you are talking about this number, so the place value of 8 is going to be 8, in 35 the place value of 5 is going to be 5, and in 192 the face value of 2 is going to be the 2. But now since we are talking about the place value, so the place value of this is, since we are talking about the ones place, so this is going to be 8, 5 and 2. But now if we are moving to the tens place, the face values of these numbers are going to be same. Like the face value of this this digit is going to be 3, and the face value of 9 is again going to be a 9. But when you are talking about the place value, so in this number the place value of this 3 is going to be 30, and the place value of 9 is going to be 90. Okay, since it belongs to tens place, so we are just going to multiply 10 into it. So this is going to be your 30 and this is going to be your 90. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the hundreds place value. Since we are moving to the 100 place value, so for this one, the 100 place value of this is going to be your 100. Okay, since it is on hundreds place, so we are just going to multiply 100 into it and it will form your 100.